How to strengthen your feet with resistance bands. For these exercises, I recommend using a TheraBand style band like I have here, because since they are wider and more stretchy, they provide more resistance for your toes. But you can use any exercise band you have. To strengthen plantar flexion or pointing, wrap the band around the front of your foot, over the top and bottom of your toes if you have a wider band, or just underneath your toes if your band is thinner. Hold the ends of the band in both hands and pull it tight. Then slowly point your foot down, articulating through your ankle and toes. Hold the contraction for a second, then slowly reverse the movement. And repeat. To strengthen the rest of the foot movements, you'll need to attach your band to something stable like the leg of a heavy table or bench. To strengthen dorsiflexion or flexing, sit above where your band is attached and wrap the band twice around the top of your foot. Flex your foot all the way up, then slowly lower your toes down. Repeat. To strengthen inversion or internal rotation, wrap the band around the inside of your foot, your big toe side. Do inversion plus dorsiflexion by keeping your foot flexed up while you rotate your foot so the bottom moves inward in the direction of your big toe. Do inversion plus plantar flexion by keeping your foot pointed down while you rotate it inwards. To strengthen eversion or external rotation, wrap the band around the outside of your foot on your pinky toe side. Do eversion plus dorsiflexion by keeping your foot flexed up while you rotate your foot so the bottom moves outward in the direction of your pinky toe. Do eversion plus plantar flexion by keeping your foot pointed down while you rotate it outwards. Do each of these exercises for 10 to 30 reps or until you feel fatigued, and make sure that whichever exercise you do it on both feet. Enjoy!